Hey, superstars. Trust you guys are doing great, and congratulations to the community, to us, and to the founders and the developers of the Global Fund Wave, as the long expected app has just been released. So now, if you have the old app on your phone, all you just need to do, you just click and hold, then uninstall. When you hold, you come up with this, just click on install. Then before you go to the WhatsApp group and uninstall the app. So on this video, I'm going to be, showing you how to use this new app, okay? So just stay tuned. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please just look below the video. You'll see the subscribe button, click on it, and then YouTube will always alert you when I put up a new video. All right, so let's dive into this, and also give a thumbs up to the video if you like the video, if it has helped you to solve one or two problems or challenges that you have. All right, so let's dive into this. I'm going to click on it and log in right now, okay? All right, so I'm just going to put my email address here and my password. Email address, remember, okay? That's what you put here. Then you type in your password here. And if you don't know how to download this app, just go on my channel. There's a previous video that I have done in the past on how to download and install the app. So you watch that video. It's just the same simple steps. Okay, so let's log into the account. All right, so we are in. So the first message that'll pop up is the promo of 40% for those who convert their GH to ePIN. So also I've done a video on this, so you can just go to my channel and look for that video on how to convert your GH to ePIN. So I'm going to close this, and of course you're going to see this message just to let you know that it's just a notification that an upgrade is still running at the back end. Okay, so pretty much this is the landing page. This is the home page. So all you're going to see here, you'll be able to see your entire team PH total. Okay, the total amount that your team has PH, it will show there. Okay, then here your total you have earned for those who are referring, that's your commission, referral bonuses and all that. Then your direct people you have referred, the total people in your team will show there. Okay, then of course the one I love most is this button right here, this support button, live. Okay, so when you click on it, you can actually have a conversation with the support team. Okay, so all you need to do is just click on new conversation. All right, so when you tap on it, it's going to ask you your name, your email, and your, of course, member ID. That's what you type there. Then you click start chat. That's when you'll be able to chat with a support agent. Okay, then for you to go back, just click on this arrow. It takes you back, or click on this other arrow up there to take you back to the home page, or you can simply just click on the home icon right there to take you to the home page. It's meant to take you to the home page anyways. So that is it. Then of course when you have PH, it's going to show here. Then when you have GH, it's going to show here. When someone has been assigned to you to pay you, it's going to appear here. You'll be able to see the person's name, WhatsApp number, and stuff. So then when you have GH, you're going to be able to see it here. All right, PH. once they assign you to make any payment, you'll be able to see the person's name, their WhatsApp number, the wallet address. Then you see the pay now button that you can click, the usual way we do it. You can go and watch my other videos, how to PH, how to GH, and stuff. So I have a video on that as well. Then yeah, most importantly, let's go to profile. For those who want to add their WhatsApp number, you see once you click on profile, you will, for those of you that have not added WhatsApp number to your profile earlier, so now you are able to do it. All you need to do is just click on WhatsApp, edit profile. Okay, you see it below. Edit wallet address, edit WhatsApp number right here. So if you want to add your WhatsApp number for it to appear here, so you need to click on this first, edit WhatsApp number. So when you click on it, it's going to show you to type your WhatsApp number. And you remember you must put your country code. So for you to put your country code, you have to, the plus sign, click on this to bring out the plus sign. I think depending on your phone anyway. So you click on your plus sign and you go back to numbers, type your country code. If it's Nigeria 234, Ghana 233, South Africa 27, then your number. Okay, so once you're done, you click save changes. All right, once you do that, it will automatically save. Then your wallet address, click on wallet address. Then you can remove what is here, the 20 TRC20. Just click there and type BEP20. If it's TRC20, click here and paste. You paste. Okay, go to your exchange or your decentralized wallet, copy your receiving wallet address and paste it here. Once you're done, click on save. So for those of you that have put here your house address, please, you have to delete it now and paste the right wallet address. All right, so that's pretty much about how to edit. So when you're done with your WhatsApp number, it's going to show here. Okay, once it's saved, it's going to appear here. All right, so what else? Yes, another beautiful thing that has been added is the switch account. So for those of you who have multiple accounts, now you can log in to different accounts on this single app. So once you click on switch account, you can just click on the add account button for you to link other accounts. As you can see on this account, there is just one account linked here that is active, which is this. So now you can click on this add account, then you just log in to an existing account, put the member code. Now you see it's not asking for email, it just says put the member code and put the password, then add account. Simple, guys, simple. All right, so that's that. Okay, I actually love this feature that has been added. Okay, this is one of the things that was missing in the old app, but now we have it here. So let's go back. What else? Okay, yes. Add member, it means register member. Now from this app, you can now register a new member without logging out from your account. Just from your back office here, you can register a new member. All you need to do is click on it, add member, just fill out the form. That's it. You see your own sponsor ID will show here automatically. Just fill in the information for the member, tick this, and then register. Boom, that person is registered. So you can once it is done, there will be a pop-up. Remember, as it is done, email will be sent to that member, the login details, and of course It will also pop up on your screen. Remember to take a screenshot and send it to the member. All right, very simple, easy to use app, user friendly. Okay, we've talked about add member, we've talked about switch account. That's when you want to log into multiple accounts. Then the add member is to register a new member. Then you can change your password. Then of course your wallet is where you see all your earnings. For those who are recruiting, be able to see your bonuses, what you have earned, okay, the amount you have withdrawn, the limits you have, the pending withdrawal that you have. Then the credit, under credit, you'll be able to see your commissions that they are dropping per level, the bonuses. The debit is the withdrawal you have done. Once you click on it, it's going to show you the debit history, how much you have withdrawn, those that have been confirmed and those that are still pending. You're going to be able to see all of them here. So that's pretty much about the wallet. Then of course your team, you're able to see all your team members here from level 1 to level 15. Then of course support tickets, you can create a ticket. Now there are two ways you can chat live on the home page. Then here you can create a ticket and submit a ticket for support. All right, whether EPIN related, PH related, GH related, and others. Then of course you can select the priorities, whether it is low, medium, urgent, or critical. Then here you can type in your message, and then you can even attach screenshots. Okay, you can attach screenshots and then submit ticket once you're done filling everything. So that's that about the ticket. Yes, you have the terms and conditions, you have the policy, privacy policies and all of that right there. Then of course you can log out from here. So help, this is where you, once you go to help here, this is for help, this is for EPIN. Okay, then this is accounts. Let's start with this. Under provide help, you already know what is there. There you're able to see your provide, you can actually provide help here. Under provide help, you can select your package, then proceed to provide help after you've gotten your EPIN. Then under history, there you're able to see the history of your provide help, as you can see right here. And what else? Yeah, you can see your history. The ones that have matured, you are able to see the date right here. Everything regarding PH, this is where you get to see them. Then of course the next one is GH. You click on GH, you're able to see all your GH, the ones that are pending, the ones that have been merged that have not been paid. If you have any under pending, you see the ones that have been confirmed, you see it under confirmed. The ones that expired that wasn't paid, you can see it there. Then of course you can also see rejected GH, then pending, the amount to show there, confirm, the amount to show here. So pretty much you're able to see how much GH you have received by just checking here. All the GH you have ever received, the total amount will sum up there. Okay, the ones that are pending will sum up here, the ones that were rejected will also sum up here. So that's that about GH. I don't want this video to be too long. Then of course EPIN, you remember our EPIN, you can request EPIN. Then it's advisable you buy from your team now, because we have the right now to also sell EPIN. So it is only when no member in your team, on your WhatsApp group where you belong, out of all our certified merchant, EPIN merchant, there must be someone that will have to sell to you. It's only when all of them do not have, you can buy from the company here. Then of course, as you know now, it is actually automated. Okay, so once you buy, for For instance, I want to do $5. I just, put one quantity here and total. Then I click on proceed. The network is shown there as Bet20. You see the it's waiting for payment. You can scan this and or you copy the wallet address right here. Okay, so once you make payment, is automatic. Okay, it's actually automatic, and make sure you send the exact amount. This one says 5.004. If you don't send this exact amount, that's why it's boldly written there, send exact amount. Okay, in fact, you need to just copy by clicking on this copy sign icon there. So yeah, this is the order ID. Okay, just in case there are issues, they want to track it, this is where you're able to copy the ID number and send to support if you have any issue regarding it. So once the payment is done, you see it rolling here. It's actually telling you that they are waiting. Once the blockchain confirms it, boom, you will see success message put up here. It says, do not press the back button or refresh this page. Stay on this page until the process is completed. Leaving leaving or refreshing this page may interrupt the process. Okay, do not leave this page until you're done with the payment. And of course, there's a timer there for you to finish that you are given to make that payment, otherwise it will expire. So that's all about the ePIN. Request ePIN. Then of course here you're able to see your ePIN request. You see that one I did earlier, it's showing pending because I didn't complete it. Then of course you transfer ePIN. If you don't know how to transfer ePIN, there's a video on that. Okay, just select the package you want to transfer. Then it will show you how much or how many ePINs you have. Then you put the person's ID, then the quantity you want to send, then you click on transfer now. Then of course remember your transfer password. Transaction password is needed for you to be able to transfer ePIN. Okay, then my ePIN, that's where you get to see the number of ePINs that you have. You're able to see the unused, the used, and the total. Okay, you see all of them on this page, everything regarding ePIN. So guys, that's it. Let's see account. Okay, yes, the account talks about how many accounts are logged in on this phone, on this particular app. So like I said, you can also add an account from this point, from this area. Okay, so guys, that's everything you need to know about this app. I'm actually in love with this app because right now everything is automated. Of course, this is the main menu. You can just click on it and everything we talked about is actually here. Then ebook, yes, ebook, my ebook. Once you have purchased any ebook, it's going to be under this place. You're able to see it here. No ebook yet. You have no ebook allocated to your account yet. So it's actually going to be allocated, and you'll be able to see it here if you apply for one. Okay, so guys, that is all that you need to know. If you need to sign out, just click on this for you to sign out. All right, superstars, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, it was useful to you, give it a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you, superstars. Goodbye.